children. Now I am going to take computer science subject. I am very happy to meet you once again. Here, computer is very important to you. Without computer there is nothing in future. So except that 5 subject you have to give importance for that computer science subject also. Okay, let's see the lesson. You already learnt in last year classes, CS classes. Here, listen here. The MS Office have the 5 packages. They are MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, MS Excel and MS Outlook Express. So these are the 5 software packages in this MS Office. Now we are going to see about MS Excel. Here the MS Excel have the 3 most common uses. They are to create budget. First it is used to create a budget and produce the graphs and charts and storing and sorting a data. So these are the 3 most common uses of the MS Excel. And in this MS Excel software have one plus point. That is, we can exchange of contents between the MS Excel, between the MS Word, MS PowerPoint and MS Access. ஸோ MS எக்ஸலில் இருக்கக்கூடிய கண்டென்ட்டை நம்மளால் என்ன செய்ய முடியும் அப்படின்னா MS வேர்ட்லையோ அல்லது MS பவர் பாயிண்ட்லையோ ஆர் MS அக்சஸ்லையோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் த ப்ளஸ் பாயிண்ட். ஓகே, how will you start MS Excel? As usual, you have to click the start menu and then click start button. Click start. Next, click all programs. And then click MS Office and then next choose the MS Excel. So like that you have to open the MS Excel window. See here, this is the Excel window. You already learned in this previous classes. Once I will recall you. Here the first one is in this window, the first one is the title bar. It shows the title of the program. And the next one is menu bar. Menus are here. File menu, edit and view menus are here. And the next one is the standard toolbar. Many commands and buttons are here. See, next one is the formatting toolbar. If you want to format this spreadsheet, you have to choose the options in this formatting toolbar. See, the next one is name box. And here this is the spreadsheet area. This is the spreadsheet area. See, in this spreadsheet area, the number of rows and columns are intersecting and creating small rectangles. These small rectangles of a spreadsheet is called a cell. Here this is called a cell. Here in this screen, in this spreadsheet screen, it is the row heading. In this row heading is denoted by serial numbers and this is the column heading. It is denoted by the letters. Okay. Now listen the definition of the spreadsheet. It is the main and the biggest part of the Excel screen. Here the spreadsheet is the main and the biggest part of the Excel screen. So you can't see, it is big in size, so you can't see a spreadsheet screen at a time on the screen. But the upper left part of the spreadsheet, upper left part is visible. Wherever you can start and entering data. Here you can start and entering the data. See, the next one is definition of cell. Each small rectangle of the spreadsheet. A cell is a small rectangle of a spreadsheet is called a cell, which you can format, increase and decrease of its size. This is called a cell. You can formatting the cell and increase and decreasing the size of the cell as per your data requirement. Here next one is the worksheet. The definition of worksheet is a collection of cells. The collection of cells organized in rows and columns. The collection of cells organized in rows and columns are called a worksheet. So each worksheet contain, here listen, each worksheet contains 10,48,576 rows. Name as 1, 2, 3 like that, and 16,384 columns. Names as ABC. See, that is the collections of cells organized in rows and columns. That allows you to organize the information. Here allows you to organize the information. Next one definition is the workbook. It is a file. Workbook is a file. It contains one or more worksheet. It contains one or more worksheet. See here. See the bottom of this spreadsheet screen. See, number of sheets are here. Sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. See. So, the one or more worksheets are called as the workbook. But you can activate only one workbook at a worksheet at a time. If you want to create new workbook from a blank document or a template. If you want to create a new workbook, you have to create a blank, you choose the blank document or a template. Now you understand this spreadsheet area. Okay students, here some general shortcut keys are given. See, the first one is Ctrl plus N. This Ctrl plus N key is used to create a new workbook, and Ctrl plus O. It create a open an existing workbook. It is used to open an existing workbook. And the next one is Ctrl plus S, save a workbook. Ctrl plus W. This key is used to close a workbook. And the next one shortcut key is F12, function key. See here it is used to open the save as dialog box. And the next one is Ctrl plus F4. Using these keys to close the Excel window. The last key is the Shift plus F11. It is used to insert a new worksheet. Okay students, I hope you are all understood. We'll see you in next class. Thank you.